What if I told you that, in just 8 minutes, you'll master 30 sentences that native English speakers use every single day? And by the end of this video, you'll feel these sentences rolling off your tongue naturally. I'm Tom and I'm about to share my personal daily routine using the most common English sentence, but here's the secret. You're not just listening, you're shadowing me. Shadowing technique copy like a native speaker. Welcome to Speak English Daily. If you've never done shadowing before, you're about to discover the fastest way to speak English fluently. Here's the magic. Listen to me, then repeat exactly what I say. Copy my rhythm, my tone, my speed. Don't think about grammar. Just let your mouth learn the natural flow of English. Today is part 1 of my complete daily routine. Morning routine. Practice real-life English sentences from morning until work time. These are sentences I actually use every day. And after shadowing me, they'll feel natural coming out of your mouth too. If you're new here and want to speak English confidently every day, hit subscribe right now. Ready to transform your English in just minutes. Don't worry if you can't keep up at first. That's totally normal. Just do your best and you'll improve with each sentence. Let's start shadowing. Let's start with my morning routine. Listen first, then shadow me. Ready? Let's go. I wake up at every morning. The alarm clock rings loudly on my bedside table. I stretch my arms and yawn before getting out of bed. First, I drink a glass of cold water. I brush my teeth for exactly minutes. I wash my face with warm water and soap. I look at myself in the bathroom mirror. I comb my hair and make it look neat. I put on my comfortable morning clothes. I make my bed before leaving the bedroom. Perfect. Can you feel how these sentences are starting to flow? Keep going. Your English speaking muscles are already getting stronger. I go to the kitchen and turn on the coffee machine. I make scrambled eggs and toast for breakfast. I eat breakfast while reading the news on my phone. I drink orange juice and hot coffee. After breakfast, I wash the dishes in the sink. I choose my clothes for work carefully. Evening and bedtime routine. Slow shadowing practice. I put on my favorite blue shirt and black pants. I check the weather forecast on my phone. I pack my lunch in a small container. I grab my keys, wallet, and phone before leaving. Amazing, you're halfway through part. If you're shadowing with me right now, drop a heart in the comments. I want to see how many of you are practicing. I leave my house at sharp. I walk to the bus stop near my building. I wait for the bus to arrive. On the bus, I listen to English podcasts. I arrive at my office I greet my colleagues with a friendly smile. I check my emails and make a to-do list. Recap plus motivation. Speak English daily with confidence. I attend important meetings today. During lunch break, I eat in the company cafeteria. I work on my computer until incredible. You just shadowed essential daily routine sentences, but we're only halfway through my day. Tomorrow's episode reveals my evening routine, plus the 5 secret words that make you sound percent native. Here's a little sneak peek. Hit subscribe now. Part drops tomorrow. And here's your challenge. Use sentence I leave my house at sharp. Comment your time below. I want to see it. Don't stop here. Your English journey is just getting started. I'll see you in part. Keep shadowing. Keep improving. You're doing great.